Hi there, this is Derek Zinzer. Doing it from here. I'm going to just kind of upload it to YouTube and hope that works because I cannot figure out Screencast-O-Matic or the Zygote. So I'm going to try to upgrade both of those to Premiere memberships and see if that works. I could kind of play with that and figure that out. But this is part 2 of the lab, picking out 2 long bones, which I chose the femur in the leg and then the humerus up in the upper body. The femur is the only bone that's in the thigh, and it's the longest bone in the entire body. And it's divided into 3 parts: the proximal aspect, and then the shaft, and then the distal portion of it. And the proximal aspect of the femur says that it articulates with, I'm going to probably slaughter this, acetabulum of the pelvis, which forms the hip joint. And then the shaft kind of descends towards the medial direction, towards the knee. And then the distal end of it, of the femur, connects to both the tibia and the patella to form the knee joint. And the main functions of the femur is for weight-bearing support and then stability of our gait so that we're walking the right way. And then in the upper body is the humerus, which is the longest bone and the biggest bone in the upper body, in the upper limbs. And it serves as the attachment to 13 muscles, which I thought was pretty fascinating. And those 13 muscles all contribute to the movements of our hands and then our elbow as well. It also has the 3 parts too: the distal and the shaft and the proximal. At the proximal end, it articulates to our scapula up by our shoulder. And then at the distal end, it articulates to the radius and the ulna, connecting at the elbow joint. So those are the 2 bones that I chose, the 2 long bones, the femur and the humerus.